go. 200 miles an
Here
hour.
he comes.
Here comes Lorenzo up the inside.
Oh, and he goes so close to Rossi as he goes past, and Lorenzo claims the lead.
Oh, Rossi's got him back on the brakes into turn one. Round the outside, Rossi runs it a little bit wide, but he makes it stick.
Oh, and it's still going to go on this right to the very last lap this. Surely it will. Lorenzo round the outside.
Subscribe to my channel and also press this bell icon.
Yes. Para MotoGP kita. Ini lagi para MotoGP kita lagi makan. Ini Marquesi. Dan ini Valentino Rossi. Ini adiknya.
Nah ini bang,
Ini Valentino Rossa.
Nah, ini satu lagi nih.
Valentino Pici. Inilah MotoGP-nya.
Oh ini ya. Ini Yamaha bang.
Ini yang Yamaha.
Oh ini Yamaha. Ini
lagi.
Kalau ini bang.
Ini yang kuat kali larinya. Dan manajernya itu.
Kemana ini bang?
Ya.
Oh
Manajer.
YouTuber bang.
Itu YouTuber sukses juga. Yang gajinya 300
Kalau ini bang?
Itu produser ya.
Oh, ini ya.
Dan ini cepat kali balapannya nih, mau makan lagi nih. Ini guys yang paling manis nih.
Ini.
Pici paling manis.
Serius kali itu orang makan.
Oh tuh.
Kalau mana enggak bang?
Itu paling serius tuh makanan tuh.
Kalau ini satu ini siapa nih bang?
Itu cacingan dua-dua tuh. Kemarin baru kasih obat cacing.
Ini?
Cacingan juga.
Who's going to be the number one? Lynn Jarvis, the racing director at Yamaha. Valentino Rossi was asked yesterday, will he battle?
Three, two, one. Go!
That corner. Down the straight, Rossi's right in behind Lorenzo. Here comes Valentino Rossi. 3 laps to go. Is that what we said?
Yeah, 3 laps to go we go. Rossi should take the lead. He has at turn one. Valentino Rossi leads the way into turn one. What can Lorenzo do? The Rossi fans go absolutely wild here in Barcelona.
Now the hammer will go down from Rossi, but can Lorenzo stick with it? Can Lorenzo do anything about Valentino Rossi's late lap charge? Look at the tyre sliding there from Rossi coming round turn 3. Can Lorenzo be close enough in turn 5 to make a move? He wants to get back in front of Rossi as soon as he possibly can.
He's got to stick there, Jorge Lorenzo. Rossi's trying to break him up. He's trying to break him down. Lorenzo is sticking there. He's sticking right on the rear wheel of the Yamaha of Valentino Rossi. 2.5 laps to go. There's so much pride at stake in this battle. It's so important to both these riders.
It's a battle royale between the two Fiat Yamaha riders. It's the best bike out on track at the moment, by a stretch, we'd say. And here this weekend has worked perfectly for the two factory members, Valentino Rossi and Jorge Lorenzo, to give us a duel par excellence here in Catalonia.
Turn 10 now. Lorenzo, is he close enough to try and get up the inside? No, this is where Rossi slid a little bit wide on the last lap. A lot tighter this time round.
Oh, he's just runs it a little bit wider, so he gets the drive out of the corner. Lorenzo's got to be as tight as he can now to Rossi to make a move down the back straight. He hasn't been dropped here, Lorenzo. Still, Stoner keeps Dovizioso at a half second's bay. But this is the battle we're going to see for victory here in the Catalonia Grand Prix. Home race for Jorge Lorenzo. For Valentino Rossi, it's a chance to put one over his teammate, as he did to him in Italy.
Over the start and finish line, 2 laps to go, 200 miles an
Here
hour.
he comes.
Here comes Lorenzo up the inside.
Oh, and he goes so close to Rossi as he goes past, and Lorenzo claims the lead.
Oh, Rossi's got him back on the brakes into turn 1. round the outside. Rossi runs it a little bit wide, but he makes it stick.
Oh, and it's still going to go on this right to the very last lap. This surely it will. Lorenzo round the outside in turn 3. That's his nickname, isn't it, round the outside? But it was Rossi who did it back to him in turn 1. They come through there. Now down to turn 4. Another 180 up on the inside of Rossi. Rossi pushing so hard in there. And Rossi keeps it in front of Lorenzo. Tighter line from Lorenzo on exit, so he will be close to Valentino Rossi as they flick it right now through these final 3.
Final 3 bends coming up. There'll be one lap to go on that. Lorenzo almost hits the back wheel there of Rossi's Yamaha. They plunge downhill. 3rd gear right-handers. Turn 12. Turn 13.